Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMAS. ADMAS for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O-level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefits from this course. As you know students, we finished exercise 2.4 in last lecture, all questions, all parts, and we are going to start exercise 2.5 in today's lecture. In exercise 2.4 the topic was quadratic inequalities. In exercise 2.5 the topic is roots of quadratic equations. Student, there are two words. One word is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? An equation whose highest power of the variable is 2 is called a quadratic equation. Actually, quad means 2. So ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic equation in standard form. This 2 means the equation is quadratic. The other word is roots. Roots or solution. Both the meaning are same. If you say our equation has solved, this is the solution, or if you say our equation has solved and these are the roots, both are same. For example, if I take a random quadratic equation like this, 6 ones are 6, 6 minus 1 is 5, so x square minus 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 2 threes are 6, and 2 and 3 are 5. I am solving this equation with the help of middle term break method. So x minus 2 minus 3, x minus 2 is equals to 0, x minus 2, x minus 3 is equals to 0, and from here the values of x is 2 and 3. So one student says these are the values of x. No problem, 100% correct. The other student says this is the solution of a given quadratic equation. No problem, he is right. One student says that these are the roots of the quadratic equations. He is also right. So you say the solution, the roots, or the values of the equation. No problem. But here we call the solution is roots. So if you confuse that what is the meaning of roots and what is the difference between solution and roots, students, both are same. Now come to our topic. So our topic of 2.5 is roots of quadratic equations. So roots of quadratic equation can find by using middle term break method or by using quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? You are very familiar with this formula and you can see on the screen x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. For example, if you solve this quadratic equation with the help of quadratic formula, the equation is x square plus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0, and your solution is x is equals to 2 or x is equals to minus 4. But as I said you that we call the answer is not solution, we call its roots. So you can see there are two roots, one is 2 and other is minus 4. And 2 and minus 4 both are different. So we call difference root is distinct roots. Distinct means both are different. One is 2 and other is minus 4. Now take another quadratic equation. For example, this one. X square plus 6x plus 9 is equals to 0. By using quadratic formula, solve this equation. We will get two answers, two roots of x. One is minus 1 and the other is also minus 1. This time roots are not different, not distinct. So we call that two equal roots. In previous case, we have two roots, 2 and minus 4. We call it two distinct roots. In this case, we have two same roots, minus 1 and minus 1. So we call this two equal roots. Now come to third example. You can see on the screen. X square plus 2x plus 6 is equals to 0. If you solve this equation by using quadratic formula, you will get x is equals to minus 2 plus minus square root of minus 20 whole upon 2. So if you have negative sign in the square root, then you call that no solution. No solution means zero roots or no roots. You can call zero roots or no roots. So we have in a quadratic equation, we have three conditions. One condition is two distinct roots. The second condition is two equal roots. And the third condition is no roots or zero roots. Okay. Now come to next. This is a quadratic formula. This one is a quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. Whole upon 2a. Student, this part which is under the square root b square minus 4ac, this part is very important and the name of this part is called discriminant. You can see this blue word, discriminant. So whenever we use the word discriminant, it means b square minus 4ac, where b is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square, and c is the constant in quadratic equation. Now, what is the importance of this discriminant b square minus 4ac? Students, see this. Here I find the roots of this quadratic equation. X square minus 5x plus 6 are 2 and 3. So these are two distinct roots. Distinct means different. Two distinct roots. But can we say without solving a quadratic equation, this one, can we say without solving that what is the nature of the roots? What is the nature of the roots? Nature of the roots means, is this equation have distinct roots? Is this equation have equal roots? Is this equation have no roots? So first and long method is, first we have to solve the equation and then we will be able to say that the roots are distinct. But this is long method. See this? Here we solve each and every equation. The first condition, after solving, we are able to say two distinct roots. The second equation have two equal roots and the third equation is no roots, zero roots. But without solving the equation, how you can say the nature of the equation, nature of the roots of the equations, whether distinct or equal or no roots? So this column is very important. If your answer of b square minus 4ac means discriminant, if your discriminant is greater than 0 means positive, Anything which is greater than 0 is positive. Then you have to say we have two real, excuse me, we have two real distinct roots. If our answer of b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then we have to say we have two real equal roots. And if our answer of b square minus 4ac discriminant is less than 0, so anything which is less than 0 is negative, then we have to say 0 real roots, or we can say no roots. So I hope you understand the importance of discriminant. Now, as you know, students, the graph of quadratic equation is always a parabola. The graph of a quadratic equation is always a parabola, like this or this. This is the graph of quadratic equation. So now we are seeing the importance of discriminant graphically. If, as you know, we have already discussed, if our discriminant is positive, that is greater than 0, it means we have two real distinct roots. And two real distinct roots means our parabola or our graph of quadratic equation cuts the x-axis at 2 points. You can see on these two diagrams. The curve cut the x-axis at two distinct points when we have discriminant greater than 0. The second case is if our discriminant is equals to 0, then we have two real equal roots. Then our graph is look like this. For this case, the curve touches the x-axis at 1 point, not 2 points. Or you can say, in this case, our curve, the x-axis should be the tangent of the at the curve. Tangent means a line which can touches only 1 point of the curve. The third one is if discriminant is less than 0, it means we have 0 real roots or no roots. For this case, the graph, the curve cannot touches x-axis. Okay, so I hope you understand. After this concept, we are able to start exercise 2.5. Here we go. So I am concluding this. First, I have to write the formula of discriminant. I can say capital D, b square minus 4ac. Question number 1, part A. What is the requirement? State whether these equations have two distinct roots, two equal roots, or no roots. So discriminant of each and every question will give us the answer. X square plus 4x plus 4. Here a is 1, b is 4, c is 4. Put this value a, b and c in this formula of discriminant. B square 4 square minus 4ac. 4 square is 16. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 16 cancel 0. So what I told you, if our answer of discriminant is 0, then we have two equal roots. Come to part B. X square plus 4x minus 21. Discriminant b square. Here b is 4 minus 4a. A is 1 and c is minus 21. 4 square is 16. Minus minus plus 4 ones are 4. 21 4 is 84 and 6 plus 4 is 10. 100. 100 is greater than 0. So if our answer of discriminant is greater than 0, then we have two distinct roots. We have two distinct roots. This is the answer of part B. Now come to part C. This is the answer of part A. This is part B. Come to part C. X square plus 9x plus 1. Discriminant is b square 9 square minus 4ac. 9 square is 81. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 81 minus 4 is 70. 81 minus 4 is 77. And 77 is greater than 0. Then our answer is two distinct roots. Come to part part D. Part D is x square minus 3x plus 15. So b square, that is minus 3 square minus 4ac. 3 square is 9. 4 ones are 4. 4 15s are 60. 4 15s are 60. And 9 minus 60 is minus 51. And you know anything which is minus is always less than 0. So if our discriminant is negative or less than 0, then we have to say that no roots. No roots. This is the answer of part D. Come to part E. X square minus 6x plus 2. The discriminant is b square minus 6 square minus 4ac. 6 square is 36. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. And 36 minus 8. 36 minus 8 is 28. And 28 is greater than 0. So if greater than 0, then our answer is two distinct roots. Come to part F. 4x square plus 20x plus 25. So b square 20 square minus 4ac. 20 square is 400. 4 fours are 100 and 25 4 fours are 16 and 25 into 16 is 400. 400 minus 400 is 0. So if our answer of discriminant is 0, then we have to write two equal roots. Two equal roots. Now come to part G. Part G is, this is the answer of part F. This is the answer of part E. Part G is 3x square plus 2x plus 7. So b square 2 square minus 4ac. 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84, and 84 minus 4 is minus 80, minus 80 is less than 0. So less than 0 means we have no roots, because if discriminant is negative or less than 0, then we have no roots. Now last part, part H. Part H is 5x square minus 2x minus 9. So b is minus 2, b square minus 4, a is 5, and c is minus 9. 2 square minus negative square is always positive. 4 minus minus plus, 4 5s are 20, and 29. 180. 180 plus 4 is 184, which is greater than 0. Then we have two distinct roots. This is the answer of part H. So hope you understand how to find the nature of roots without solving the equation, just taking the help with the help of discriminant. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac. This is our today's class, where we finished all parts of question number 1. And how many questions in this exercise? There are 11 questions. I will try to finish all questions in next lecture. Until unless, if you like my videos, kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe my channel, don't forget to share, don't forget to press the bell icon button, so that whenever I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly don't restrict my videos to yourself, share as many as you can. This is my request to all of you students. Okay, good luck for next lecture.